What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Lincoln Riddle, and today we're in Salem, Massachusetts for a massive snowstorm that we're going to be shooting video of and covering alongside storm chaser Reed Timmer. Now, we're expecting wind gusts up to 50 to 60 miles per hour and more than a foot of snow, so it's going to be incredible. It's going to be crazy. Without further ado, let's get this snowstorm underway. It is Thursday, January 4th. And the snow has started. Right, we are out here on the water in Salem. As you can see, it's nice and frozen over. Definitely cold in the mid-20s. Just saw the first flake before Reed over here. And as you can see, we are setting up our gear. Locations, if you can see behind me, car is way back there. We're currently out here on this jetty at this lighthouse, and if you take a look over here, you can actually see a boat. I'm not sure that there's anybody in the boat or if it's just sitting there. Really windy, snow's coming down hard. Reed Timmer has already stated this is too much cold for him.
No, I'm fine.
It is really coming down. We're back at our hotel. We stopped in to get some coffee and charge some gear. And as you can see, we're about to get back out there and do a live over here. I think is where we're going to do it at. Snowfall rates right now, roughly an inch an hour snowfall rates currently, and it's coming down quite hard. The wind's not as hard as it was, is it, Mr. Timberline?
Oh, it is heavy right now. Definitely a big time snow bands come in. The wind is increasing.
This is a vlog. You don't have to sound, you can relax. We are now out here on this pier. We've been out here all morning. Snow is really coming down now, as you can see behind me. Near whiteout conditions. Wind speeds up to 50 miles an hour. Truly incredible, actually, how strong the snow is coming down. I mean, just look at this. Very intense. The tide is slipping, so we may start to see some flooding up here on this pier. As you can see, chunks of ice, they're just rocking back and forth in the water there. And that's very intense out here. We're approaching a foot of snow here, it looks like. Just watched this water right here surge up and do a little coastal flooding. It was quick how it came in. Headed back to the hotel now, do a very quick edit before our last live of the day. Hopefully I'm able to get out. As you can see, I have been plowed in. So I think I'll make it though. About halfway through it now. As you can see behind me, the winds have died down. Snow's still coming down very heavily, but not nearly as hard as it was. With the wraparound, we should get heavier snow and more wind. We'll see. This man right here, Reed Timmer, just told me he wants to eat in the middle of a storm. Reed Timmer wants to eat. To that I say, I came here to work.
Machines don't eat.
Unlike this guy, he says machines don't eat.
No, they don't.
Well, then I guess you're not a machine. Did you want to eat? There you go. You can just see how much snow there is. Take a look. We go out here, we get a little, almost knee deep. Not quite there, but we're getting there. And a lot more snow to go out here in Salem. See, there's actually a lot of people out here enjoying the weather.
Then turn right onto Leaf Fort Terrace. In 600 feet, turn right onto Fort Avenue.
So sometime between the last clip and the clip you're seeing now, my iPhone became water damaged and the audio just was not recording to the phone. So all of the clips from here on out are just lack audio. So I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to hit subscribe and hit like if you enjoyed this video. As always, until next time.